Hello everyone, welcome back. We are working on creating a fox jump animation like this in After Effects using Duik Bassel plugin. We finished the setup for the tail and the body, and now we will work with uh, the front legs and the back legs. So what I want to show you is I searched for fox limb bone structure, and this is how the bone structure of a fox is. So you can see in the back there's this first bone, second bone, third bone, and the claw. All right. So we need to create these links. In a human body, there will be a upper arm, knee, lower arm, and then the foot. Okay, and then the toe. So from here, our uh, foot is straight here, but this extra vertical element is there in the fox or a dog. Okay, here also in the front, you'll see there's one, two, a small third one, and then the claw comes. All right. So this is the effect that we want to create. So this is one, two, three, and four. All right. So these are the bones that we need to create in our character. So I'll go to After Effects and we will look at, so first what we will do is we'll hide the spine and the body. Okay, we will work with the back leg here, this one. All right, so here we will go to rigging and then we will look at the leg. All right, so arm or front leg or the leg. Here we'll click on the settings, we'll go here and we're going to create a thigh, calf, foot and claw. So let us create it. All right, so we got these elements. What I'm going to do is now create corresponding pins. So we will create the first pin somewhere here. Okay, the second pin will be here. The third pin will be here. The fourth one at the claw. The fifth one. All right. So we have to rename these. So the first one is thigh. Second one is calf. Then foot, claw, and tip. Okay, now we will select all these and we will create bones, add bones. Okay, now what you can do is you can select these and move it in place. So what I'll do is I'll select these and delete them. The faster way to do it is you click the first bone you create, shift select the last bone, and then click on leg, this one, create. Okay, so what it is going to do is create the leg and place it in place as well. So it speeds up our work process. So I'm going to select the thigh and then link it to thigh, then the calf, the foot, the claw, and the tip. Okay, so I'll select this and then hide them, select this and hide them. You will also notice that my timeline is moved. It was at the bottom, so I'll show you. If you click here and if you click here when you get a green line, this is how it was. What I did was I clicked on this and dragged it here. Okay, so you get more space to work with your layers. All right, and then you can move it big and small so you can see the link button. All right, so let us now work with the front leg. So let us look at front Okay, so we'll work with this one. All right. So again, puppet pin tool, we need the first bone here. All right. The second bone, I'll put it slightly above the color. Then we need the third one, then the fourth one, and the fifth one. Okay. And we need to rename them. So let us look at the names before creating it. Arm, forearm, hand, and claw. Okay, this is what we are going to do. So this one is arm, forearm, hand, claw, and tip. So select all these, create bones. Okay, then select the first one, then the end one, go to arm settings, create. Okay, so now we got those created. So I'll click on the arm, connect it, link it, I mean forearm, hand. By the way, you can also go and select here. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. So that is also a way to link it. Select this and hide it. Select this and hide it. So same way we have to do the other two legs. So this is done. Which one is this? We will do this one now. So I'll create a first pin, second pin, third pin, fourth pin, and fifth pin. All right. So you need to remember the names. Starts with a hip. Okay. So hip. What was the name? Leg. Thigh, calf, foot, claw. Okay. So thigh, calf, foot, claw, hip. Create bones. Okay. Select the bones. Click on leg. Create. Okay, got to link them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hide this. Hide this. All right. Now the only thing remaining is the other leg, which is back, front, this one. So again, we'll create the first pin. Second pin is slightly above. Then the third pin is slightly below the color. 4 and 5. Okay. And then the names again for arm, forearm, hand, claw. Okay, arm, forearm, hand, claw. arm, forearm, hand, claw, tip, add bones. All right, select the bones, arm, create. Okay, so arm, forearm, hand, claw, tip. Okay, so all our bones are now done. So what we will do is the next step is to, can make it small. We will unhide everything. We will get rid of all the bones from the scene. So all these bone structures, they'll be hidden. These bones hidden. These bones hidden. All right. So we don't even want to see them now because their work is done. And these are the last ones. Okay. We will also hide all of these. Okay. And also we need to hide this. So what I'll do is again select this and select all of these structures. And now we will add auto rig and IK. Alright, so it's going to create all the IK controls for us to animate the character. Okay, duik is doing its magic, processing all the links. Okay, and we can now hide all the layers. So only now we have in our scene is hide this. So all our visual elements and the controls. Okay, so if you look at the controls, if you look at this leg, if you select this and move it up, okay, so this is the bend we wanted to create. In the front, if you select the body, okay, so this leg is bending in the wrong direction, so you select this and you reverse it. Okay, so now the body is moving properly, so the body joint will move the entire character up and down, the hip will move only the back part up and down. Okay, the tail control, will rotate the tail, and then we have our head control that rotates the head. So we'll rotate the head. Okay, so we have the front 2 hands, 2 feet, tail, shoulder and neck, okay. So we have to animate, use these controls to create the animation for the fox. What we will have to do is we need to get our tail bones unhidden because we will need those. So in the structure, we need these. Okay, so we can rotate the tail. I think there should be a tail control here. So maybe we won't need that. So you can rotate the tail using this. So we know we don't really need these. Alright, so in the next class we will start posing the character and animate the character. Thanks.